Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Kind of an interesting one, the WDC. So, waking up in the morning, we see some big news for WDC, and I guess they've got the Elliott, who owns, I guess they're a fund. Elliott owns, I think, $1 billion worth of stock. So they suggested that what they'd like to see is for them to spin off, I don't know, create two different companies or just spin one of them off, but they've got a hard drive division and a flash memory division. And so they have suggested that they would really like WDC to consider this, okay? And so that caused a huge pop in the pre-market. The stock was trading at $54. All the way up to 58, and it is continuing higher. Now it is, chopped around a little bit, but there's definitely interest, and the thing is that there is no resistance till about 65 on the weekly chart, so it would still have a little bit of room to run. But what made the trade great? Again, usually it is, when something like this happens, usually, especially for a big stock like this, usually it is news related, and that was really interesting news. I mean, again, spinning off, if that happens, and you see what it says, they will carefully consider Elliott's idea to separate the businesses. So that is what made the trade great, and a lot of people in the room, even if you didn't get up at whatever time that was, 7:30, you still had an opportunity to take it on a 60 break, and who knows where this is going. I mean, it may stall right here, but the idea, though, is that a big company like this, this is the only way something like this can happen, because it has like 305 million shares in the float. So to get a pop like this, there had to be pretty good news, and that was the news. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room. So if you have any questions for me, here's the email address you can use. And don't forget, the test drive starts soon on May the 16th. You'll see the email. In the email, you'll see a link to sign up for the test drive. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.